This is how disassembled Medford Praetorian T looks like. We have on each side of the frame triple phosphorus bronze washers that each side sits on the triple washer, which was very surprising for me. I've never seen a knife sitting on triple washer. And this is a simple assembly video. You can easily create tools to remove this proprietary screw pivot, and the rest is very easy. But remember, taking this knife apart, disassembling it, voids the warranty. So unless you're absolutely 100% sure how to do it, don't do it.